Understanding Crow About Something, a deep dive into English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English expressions and idioms. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, crow about something. This expression is packed with imagery and emotion, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and unpack what it means to crow about something. The phrase, crow about something, is used to describe a person who is bragging or boasting about their achievements, possessions, or anything they are particularly proud of. The imagery here is vivid. It likens the person's boasting to a crow's loud and distinct cawing. Crows are known for their strong, assertive calls, and when someone crows about something, they're being just as noticeable with their pride or satisfaction. Understanding where an expression comes from can often help us appreciate its usage and nuances. The phrase, crow about something, likely draws inspiration from the natural world, where crows are vocal and unmissable birds. This expression is commonly used in informal contexts, such as conversations among friends or in social media posts, where someone wants to highlight their achievements or express joy over their successes. To help you grasp how to use crow about something in real-life conversations, let's go through a few examples. 1. After winning the chess tournament, Jake couldn't stop crowing about his victory to everyone he met. 2. She has every right to crow about her promotion. She's worked hard for it. 3. While it's good to celebrate success, one shouldn't crow about their achievements too much and become arrogant. These examples show that while it's natural to want to share our successes, there's a fine line between sharing joy and boasting. And there you have it. Now you know what it means to crow about something, and how to use it in your everyday conversations. It's a colorful expression that adds flair to your language, but remember, balance is key. We hope you found this video helpful and enlightening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun dives into the English language. See you in the next video, and keep exploring the beauty of English expressions.